Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. So this is sort of stage one, really. We've done the repeats. This time we need to think logically about where our agent is going to go now. This time we are definitely going to need pseudocode. We're going to need to draw this out. So first of all, let's take a look at the problem in hand. Okay, let's go and turn around. So here's my agent with some trash. And so it's very similar to the last problem where it had the oak wood in front of it, the stripped oak. This time we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks in front of it. But you'll notice that there is a sort of pattern as to where this agent has to go. So it's going to go forward up here. We could make it go 5, 6, 7, 8, turn right. But we could easily just make a loop where the agent comes up, around, walks down, destroys this and cleans everything. We could either way. With this one, we have to draw this out. So let's go and have a look. So how long is this in total? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is 18 long. So we have to be 18 long, and then we have to come through 18, 19, 20, 21 through the middle, 22 through the middle. Okay. So this one's got 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks here. 6, 7, 8. It turns right. 1, 2, turns left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 left, and then that seems quite complicated. So left and then back again. Let's think about two ways of doing this. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. I'm going to bring my other screen on. So here's my assignment page. I've got my extension. I've got my attachment at the bottom. This is what I've used here. So I've got my mouse here, and then I've got a pen to go and draw on this. Let's go and get my pen. So I know that it has two ways of doing this. So I've got my blocks here. So it starts off with these 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's got 6, 7, and it turns on the 8th, doesn't it? Here you can see it's a bit better. It turns on the 8th, so it does a right turn, and then it went forward 2, didn't it? 1, 2, and at the same time it's always collecting. So it's collecting and it's destroying, and then it's collecting, and then it went forwards and it collected one more, didn't it, over here? And once it got to the end, and it went through towards the end, and so it went and collected, turned, went forward, collected, and then went forward that way. So this is 5, this was 3, this was about 4, wasn't it? And it went back to the middle, turned, left turn. This seems quite complicated. The other way that we could just think about this is the actual shape of the place itself. And we know that it is 18 blocks long here. And we know that this bit's going to be 18. And we know that this is going to be 18. But it's how you organize this inside this array. Later on, I know that in the future problems, you are going to have to work in this way. Think of it, it is a robot. It doesn't mind going, it won't mind going the extra blocks and thinking and discovering there is nothing there to destroy. Too many D's in that sentence. And so we can make the robot, because it's quite efficient, to go in a loop like this. So I'm not going to do the code for you. However, we can write the pseudocode together. So we know that this is 18, and we know that this here, when it turns right, is 3. And it's going to turn right again. It turns right on there and turns right again. Comes back another 18, turns right again, and goes over 1. So it goes over 3 here, goes over 1 turn, and then goes up here, and this one is 22. I mean, you can go around the houses and the other one making it collect by all means, but using pseudocode you can actually see that, looking at the different ways and drawing it out before you start to just put code down, that we already know how the code's going to look. We know that it's going to, in the easy route here, it's going to go 18 forward, turn right, forward 3, turn right, forward 18, turn right, forward 1, turn right, forward 22, while it's constantly destroying in front of it and collecting all. Destroy, collect all, destroy, collect all, destroy, collect all. I mean, which way do you want to go? I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to let you work this one out yourself, because it's almost the same as collecting the blocks beforehand. If you're unsure, speak this out with your partners, the person next to you, to the left of you, to the right of you, and have a go yourselves. Which one's going to be the most efficient? Does it matter if you make the agent go a total of what? 36 and 22, so 58 blocks while it's destroying? It's up to you. Alright, as always, good luck.